Hello, welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy and our November 2022 paper pumpkin kit. We are going to make the third gift tag and we get to use the super duper sparkly banner on this one. So I have all my pieces lined up here, everything that I need. I've got my stamp, and the first thing it says to me to do is to take this stamp and center it in the middle of the round die cut here. So I am going to ink this one up, make sure that I've got really good coverage. This one I am going to stamp away just to see what my coverage is like, and then I'm going to come back, make sure I'm inking really well, really consistently. Okay, so let's put this down in the middle of the circle here. Give it a good push to make sure that it's all the way, got good coverage everywhere with the ink. And there we go. Oh, and I am missing that piece in the middle. So let's see if I can line this back up again. Okay, and let's just give that a squish in the middle there. I think I've overlapped it. I have. So I'm going to do that again because I messed it up. So, but good to know that that middle piece doesn't necessarily ink down the same way everything else does. So that's something for me to pay attention to when I am using my stamp. Okay, so let's put that down. Let's line this up again and pop it down. Okay, I'm going to give it a good push, make sure I've got that centerpiece down. I'm just going to push all the way around the outside, make sure that I've got that covered, and now I do have a good print of that. So let's build the card. So I need a banner, and I need my sparkly banner, and I need to put 4 adhesive dots on the edges of this. Oh, and I got one stuck to my finger and it won't come off. There we go. So let's add that like that. We're going to take this one like this and this one like this. Okay, and now we're going to put this onto our banner. So we're going to do this. We're going to line everything up. Make sure we're aligned all the way down as well, so we're not crooked. There we go. Now I need to take this tag topper and I need to put an adhesive dot on each side of it. So we're going to put one here, and we're going to put one here. And then we're going to peel them off, and we're going to put them, I'm going to pop this right on top here, making sure that we're lined up like that. So there we go. So there is our tag built like that. And now we're going to turn this over, and we're going to put 4 dimensionals on it. Sorry, just had to check something like this. And making sure, I think I need to be a little bit closer into the middle with that one because it will overhang the edge. So there we go, like that. And yes, I'm good. So we're going to pop this down right in the middle like that, so the deer looks like it's jumping a bit. Okay, and then we need to take our little snowflakes that you can barely see, and we need to flip them over. Maybe if I put them on top of this tag, you can see them a little bit better. Like that. We need to put an adhesive dot on each of them, right in the middle like that. Okay, there we go. And then we are going to add them to the card. So This is going to go here like that. This one is going to go on here like this. And then this one will go at the top, just like this. There we go. Okay, and now we're going to once again take our linen thread and we're going to tie a bow in the top of the tag. Oh, there we go. That is the third tag in our November 2022 paper pumpkin kit. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for alternates using the tag kit, potentially seeing things from the October kit, and using the Good Things and More cards and envelopes. So thank you so much for watching, and we will create together again soon.